Do you ever wonder why you can never catch me? Oh, wait. I got it. It's because you always on gloves? Why don't you take off your gloves and try catching me? See, even if you catch and kill me, that will be a milestone on my name for my people. Because none of them ever made it to a mansion and all this flash, so if I die, I will be celebrated.
Sometimes life is not a game of catch, it's also a game of fetch. You don't always have to waste energy, time and money chasing after something, so you just get up and fetch it.